What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel, NSWTV, New South Wales Transport Videos. I'm here at Broadmeadow railway station on the Newcastle Central Coastline. It is very rainy here. I'm at a very rainy railway station. I'm just going to film some trains here for you guys. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. We've got a Oscar. Looks like an 8 car about to pass through platform number 1. This is bound for Sydney. It's an all-station service, so its next stop will be Adamstown, followed by Katara, Cardiff and Cockle Creek. Very windy. It is a Central via Strathfield service, 8:24 at the lead. Very windy here and lots of rain. Just look at that. You can see to about down there and then it's just mist and you just can't see anything because of the fog from the rain. For a Central via Strathfield service. Like I said, this train's next stop will be Adamstown, Katara, Cardiff, Creek, Taraba, and so on to Sydney. We have an 8 car V about to arrive at platform number 2.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Newcastle Interchange. First stop, Hamilton.
V36 is the leading 4 cars. And V37 trailing. We've got a Janice and Wyoming coal train about to pass through platform number 1. Leading loco XRN 029. And trailing loco GWU 008. We've got a freight train passing platform number 3. Leading loco CF 4408. Middle loco CF 4410. And trailing loco VL 362. we've got a Sydney XPT about to arrive to platform number 1. This train's next stop will be Wyong. XP 2014 leading. And XP 2011 Kimbo trailing. I love the sound of those Paxton diesels. XP 2011 and XP 2014 now departing. Righty guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. Be sure to like and subscribe, favorite the video, and share this with your friends and family. Yeah, so this was a very rainy video. I reckon I got a fair variety of trains in. Hope you guys like this, and if you did, smash that like button and comment where I should vlog next. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.